beautiful people on this channel, welcome back. It's still your guy Kofi Ima, the Tech G guy. Today I am here for the graphic designers. Today I am here for everyone that wants to blur backgrounds of pictures, everyone that wants to crop pictures into perfection. You know, AI, also known as the artificial intelligence, is taking over the world, and now things are being done on an easy and smoother way without having yourself worried. Okay, even without you having the basic or the primarily knowledge about that. And today, I have an app that can help you crop pictures so perfectly without you having any design background. Back in days when we have to go on Photoshop, be using the pen tool and all that just to be cropping edges of pictures to have it in good shape. Now there is an app that does all that in a twinkle of an eye. But hey, this app uses mobile data. You cannot do it whilst you are offline. So without much ado, let's get started. So, like I was saying earlier, there is this wonderful app that will help you to crop your images so perfect to an extent that it will look exactly like you using Photoshop or Illustrator to do, cropping. But this time, it's more easy. The only thing that's need is the data, like just have data connectivity and you'll be able to use this app so smooth without any problem. So first of all, I would have to open, or you would have to go on Play Store, then search for photo room. So this is an app that uses AI, also known as artificial intelligence. This is the best app to help you package your product and sell it. You know that packaging is very important, and also you need to have your design or whatever you are selling attracted to people, and this is one app that can help you do all of that. So you can come to the Play Store and get the free version. I am using the premium version, but the free version too will help you do most of these things, except that it comes with a watermark. So when you go back, this is the app Photo Room. The first time you open it will bring you to this very screen: remove background, create pro images. So you hit on let's get started. You'll be brought through this very menu where we have reselling, creator, e-commerce, small business, having fun, and other. So I will go to creator because I am a designer. Then from here it says pick your first selfie photo. It could be selfie or it could be any other photo, and it depends on what you're using it for. So I will quickly go to skip, then I'll be brought to this page, then you just exit it. So this app basically uses AI. So like you can see, there is already some samples in here. So if you want to have a YouTube cover, these are the YouTube channel art, Facebook cover, all the sizes already made, WhatsApp stickers, everything already made in here. So you just hit on it, then you apply. Most of these templates would be for premium users, people that have bought the premium version. So assuming that maybe I have cream or anything like a product that I would want to, I just have to open this. But here you need data connectivity. So you see, after it's loaded, it says replace. So I just have to hit the replace button. So I can now go to the gallery. Okay, so with this, let me select this day by day man. Boom, within a twinkle of an eye you could see that it has removed the background so perfect, and it has replaced it. So you can even hit on it when you see the blue line or blue, yes, rectangular line, rounded rectangle on it. You can just click and hold, then increase the size of the thing or decrease it, like anyhow you want it to look like. It's very simple. Then you hit on, you can even give it some light, some reflections to make it more nicer. Then you can still work on the flowers, the objects in here. You see, You can reposition the flowers. This is a very powerful app. Trust me, this is a very powerful app. This is a very powerful app. um Let me take this for instance. This is a cap. So assuming this one, I want to change it to something different. Just have to go to replace. Let me pick this smartwatch of mine. Boom. Wow, I cropped it so easily. Then I can just resize it somewhere here, and it looks so perfect. It looks so good. It looks just like, I don't know, but it looks so perfect. So you can go to replace, you can go to search, you can go, you can search for things that maybe you would want to add. That's how it looks like. If better still, you want to change the background, you can still do that. And even with the watch, I can give it some, I can off the shadow, I can give it a shadow, then I can give it a type of shadow I want. It's that simple. Like, I mean, this is an app that everyone wants. And afterwards, you can hit on the share button over here. Then you have your image saved to gallery. You can still go to options if you want to save in JPG, JPEG, or even WebP. That is basically or normally used for web. You can change the name that comes when you're using the premium version. Maybe IMG1005. Boom. Then keep original names. Then you can just hit on done. It will save it, as simple as that. You can also choose image directly from here. Let's see more of a complicated image and how this app will do the cropping. Okay, so let's see this one. This is not even complicated, so the cropping wouldn't be anything hard. Let's try a different image which is a bit complicated. Normal phone picture. So I think this picture has a lot of things in, and boom, within a twinkle of an eye. So this is how easy that this software can help you crop background of images. See, I mean, this app is just I don't know how to say it, but you can see how it has just changed the background as if it was taken this way. But hey, this is the kind of app that I am introducing to you today. So you could see that there are a lot more um of different ones in here that you can just choose from. Color splash pictures that you can easily choose from, and whoosh, it looks so good. Like, it looks so perfect, as if that it was shot on that same background, especially when you give it some lighting and like you make it look more perfect. Then you can get it some shadows. Then um after you've given the shadow, make sure that you go to custom, then you reduce the shadow a bit so that at least there will be that feel. Okay, you can even blur the shadow a bit so that there will be that feel. This is just like me having myself on Photoshop. Boom, you can even give it outline if you want it that way, then resize it like we do normally. But hey, I am not giving it any outline, and you can adjust and transform it, change blurriness, effect, and all that. So afterwards, you can just hit here, then save. Boom. So now you can go to our gallery, then search for the picture that we just saved. So let me scroll down, and boom, photo room. You could see that this is the work that we just did, and the other one too is just right here. Thank you for watching my video. It's still your guy Kofi Yuma. Please do well to subscribe to my channel